Hey my tinies, and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys haven't heard my voice for a while, but hey, I am back and we're gonna start off by using this palette and it's the Upbeat orange palette, and we're gonna use this Harvest shade. And you guys know how I rave about these small precise brushes from Morphe, so we're gonna start off by using the M507 brush, and we're gonna put this on the top of our crease right above. And as you saw a little bit earlier, we are using patting motions, and we're just going back and forth, swiping that back and forth, as you can see.
She took my heart and left me lonely. I've been broken, heart contagious. I won't fix, I'd rather leave. I'm lost and I'm found, but it's torture being in love. I love when you're around, but I fucking hate when you leave. Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know you. I'm sad, I know you.
Next shade we're using is Beat, and we're taking the M506, and we are actually just placing this like just a little bit above Harvest. And make sure your brush is still touching the previous shade, so you have basically, like, when you do this, the brush is going to be half and half on the clear side of your eye, as you can say, and the other side half of on the Harvest shade that you used before, so you guys get that clear blend. And then we're also using this e.l.f. brush, and we're just using this just kind of to blend the outside, because we just want to get that nice smooth blend, you know. We don't want a harsh line, so we're just gonna blend.
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know you. I'm sad, I know you. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know you. I'm sad, I know you.
And here we're taking the concealer, doesn't matter what concealer, and we're gonna do half cut crease, guys. So make sure you take any concealer, your favorite concealer, it doesn't matter, and make sure you cut the crease basically. And the reason why I actually always look up is because one of my eyes is hooded, which kind of sucks because my other eye, I never have like transfer, like the shades don't transfer over to the top of my lid. But with this eye, it's a hooded eye, which I don't really care, you know. I still get the same look. But we're literally just gonna take back any brush, a flat brush, whatever brush you want, and you're gonna try and cut that crease real good. Like, we're gonna make this shit sharp. Sorry guys for my language, but anyways, that's what we're planning on doing. Lastly, we're going to be taking shimmy and a Wet n Wild brush, and as you can see, I will be applying it in two different ways. I did get better pigmentation using my fingers, so you guys can actually apply it whichever way is better for you. I kind of prefer both ways because I can get exactly where I need it, and then I can just kind of smother it around my eyelid. And here, guys, we're just taking the outer V and we are blending it in. That's all we're doing, just blending these two shades together.
She took my heart and left me lonely. I've been broken.
Alright, my tinies, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this look, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. This is part 2, so yeah, keep a lookout for part 3 and 4.